HTML structure. The HTML file contains the basic structure of a web page. It includes elements like doctype HTML, HTML head, meta, title, link, body, nav, main, template, and script. There is a navigation bar with links to different categories like top news, IPL, and finance, etc. There is a main section where news articles will be displayed. A template is provided for a news card to be dynamically created. CSS styling for the HTML element is defined for an external CSS file, which linked to the head section. It likely contains the styles for the navigation bar, news cards, and other elements to enhance the visual appearance of an web app. Then the JavaScript functionality for the script.js file is responsible for the dynamic behavior of app. It fetches the news data from the third-party API, that is the news API, using the fetch news function. Then the fetch news articles are then displayed in the main section as cards using the bind data function. Each card displays the news article's source description and image if available. Clicking on card opens the corresponding news article in a new tab. The navigation items are interactive. Clicking on a category in navigation bar fetches news related to that category. There is a search functionality allowing users to search for news articles based on their inputs. So user can able to search based on their query. Event listeners are used to handle the user interactions like clicks on navigation items and the search button. Then the API integrations. The application uses the news API to fetch news articles based on the categories or users searches queries. An API key is used for the authentication to access the news API. Overall, this code creates is responsive news applications where user can browse different categories of news articles and search for specific topics of interest. It is designed to be visually appealing and user friendly. Let's move on. The news web app. So as we move into the news, there is a five categories for each one. First is top news. As we click on top news, it will take 2 seconds and we'll get the output. As we can see, we'll get the top news with the proper date and the timing. If user want to search his query, they can able to search the query. Let's search cricket. After click the query, it will take a second and we'll get the output. You can also see the real post here after clicking the article.